Okay, here's all of them. Okay, here's a mini scoop. Here's the take-along scoop. The one I always wanted the most, since I'm gonna be getting the take-along stuff. Wait, is it? Was it? It wasn't that bendable. Okay, here's scoop. Here's scrambler. You know, it has the magnet. Let me see if it actually works. It has magnets like the Thomas take-along, take and play. Here, I'm gonna put Toby to the side. Here's scrambler. He feels, yeah, he doesn't feel like I thought it would feel like. Here's a mini version of Muck. I don't know what toy range this is supposed, but it's not take-along. But it doesn't come with take-along Muck, so this is probably gonna be a stand-in for a while. And here's the Wild West scoop. I'm pretty sure the bucket, both buckets are magnets. Yeah. Wait, it's the, let me see. Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm just gonna put Sheriff Wild West scoop, built to be wild. Here's this random diecast Travis, even though it's not taken long. Yeah, I'm not gonna use this Travis since I don't care about this toy line. Yeah, similar to these two. And here's the take along Travis. It's shipped. I didn't see that in the listing, but it's pretty good Travis. And here's Sumsy, aka one of my favorite characters in Project Build It. And here's my unpopular opinion. I like Sumsy more than Trix. Yeah, that's just because I feel like she's more interested in Trix. Even though she's a recolor of Trix. I prefer Sumsy. And speaking of, here's Trix. Yeah, personally, here's another unpopular opinion. I don't really care about Trix. I don't really care about her. Even though I do think she's a good character, but she's one of my least favorites because I don't care about her. I prefer Sumsy. Wait, is this? Wait, let me see. Yeah, this is the one where it says Trix from the early 2000s. And here's another good one. Skip. Yeah, again, like Trix, another unpopular opinion. I don't really care about Skip, even though I do like him, but I just don't care about him. I just don't care about these two. I prefer the Project Build It characters. Like how I prefer Sumsy over Trix. Here's, oh, Dizzy. Wait, she doesn't lock into place. Jeez. And plus, I don't really care since this is the Wild West version with the gold, cement, or sand. It doesn't lock into place, so that sucks. Dodger, another one of my favorite characters from Project Build It. Love this guy. Wish he appeared more in Project Build It, but yeah, I like Dodger here. Jackaroo, the other item besides Dizzy and Scoop from the Wild West. I love this guy. I like his animation, like the mouth movement in the movie. And that's everything I got. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later.